Welcome to Visakhapatnam, the city of destiny. Among the many wonders of this beautiful coastal city, there is one building that grabs everyone's attention immediately, the iDeck ship-shaped building. From a distance, it looks like a giant ship docked on land, but it's actually a unique architectural marvel that combines design, technology, and utility. The iDeck building is located in a prime area of Vizag, surrounded by scenic hills and the Bay of Bengal nearby. Because it's a ship-like structure, it has quickly become a landmark. Tourists often get confused asking, is this really a ship or just a building? Concept and heritage. Vizag is known worldwide for its shipbuilding industry and the Eastern Naval Command, so the idea of designing a building in the shape of a ship was not random. It was a tribute to the city's maritime heritage. iDeck was built to serve modern needs while also symbolizing the strong connection Vizag has with the ocean and ships. Architecture and design. The building looks like a luxurious cruise liner with multiple decks, sleek curves, and wide glasses windows. At night when the lights are turned on, the iDeck glows like a ship ready to set sail. But the design is not just for beauty, it's also has partial use. The structure has 11 floors in total. First 5 floors are designed mainly for car parking and bike parking, solving a big issue in Vizag's busy urban areas. Thousands of vehicles can be accommodated here safely. The remaining 6 floors are dedicated to IT office spaces. These floors are modern with conference halls, meeting rooms, open office layouts, cafeterias, and lounges. This makes the iDeck not only a landmark, but also a hub for business and technology. Purpose and importance. The iDeck serves multiple purposes, provides large parking solution for the city, offers world-class office spaces for IT companies and startups, acts as a modern venue of business events and meetings, attracts tourists and local as unique landmark. This perfect balance of function and diagram makes iDeck one of the smartest buildings in Andhra Pradesh. Tourism value. Tourists love clicking photos here. Drone shoots make the building look like a ship floating on the land. In the evening with lights glowing, it has become a Vizag's favorite Instagram spot. Just like RK Beach, Kailasagiri, or Dolphin Nose, the iDeck is now a must-visit place for anyone exploring the city. The iDeck ship-shaped building is more than just architecture. It is a symbol of Vizag's identity. With 5 floors of parking and 6 floors of IT office spaces, its combined modern utility and maritime heritage. Next time you visit Vizag, make sure you stop by this marvel. You will see a ship that doesn't sail on water, but sail into the future, carrying innovation, technology, and pride of city of destiny. The iDeck is not just a building of today, it is also a vision for the future. With Vizag rapidly growing as an IT and industry hub, this building provides the perfect foundation of upcoming businesses and startups. The IT floors inside here designed with flexibility, allowing new companies to set up office quickly. International conferences and exhibitions are expected to be hosted here, bringing global attention to Vizag. The parking facility solves a long-term problem in the city center, making it easier for employees, visitors, and tourists. In this future, iDeck will play a key role in shaping Vizag image as a city of innovation, technology, and smart urban planning. Thank you for watching. Subscribe my channel